Are you interested in design, and specifically about the user interface and user experience design? Do you want to learn the new design tools such as Figma, Framer, Webflow, or any other tools that exist in the industry right now? So you're in the right place. My name is Kia and here is the Kimo. Welcome to my channel. I'm working as a designer in an industry for more than a decade. I started my design journey by working as a user experience and user interface design. Later on, I had this chance to work in different design fields, such as branding and logo design, marketing material design, print design, motion graphic design. But for the last couple of years, I focus again on the user experience and user interface design. And in this channel, I'm gonna share my experiences and learnings with you. I'm gonna cover some topics related to the basic and foundation of the design. And then I'm gonna focus more on the user experience and user interface design. And then I'm gonna show you a lot of cool tricks and techniques to use the design tool to create amazing prototypes. So if you are looking for improving your design skills, get sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video and see you in the next video.